Because A comes before C. Yes.
Beautiful.
And then you want to change your vertical and horizontal divisions. You want to make a video?
Yep.
An educational video?
Right.
Here, demonstrate.
Presentation of the day.
Yeah. And you want to change your Y divisions. So 20 volts per division. And we want it 20 because the bleeder divides it by 1,000. So really this is 20 kVp per division. And now you want your channel 1 and 2 to be in the center of the scope. And the trigger is based on what you want to trigger. So with channel 1, since it's anode, you want a positive trigger. Channel 2, it would be the negative trigger since it's the cathode. Depending, you can move your trigger up and down. And the mode in the trigger, you want normal and DC coupled.
So if you clicked on normal,
You don't want auto. Nothing's auto.
No auto.
No autos.
it'll be DC coupled.
Right. Okay, and then horizontal, you want to change that to 10 milliseconds due to the fact it is what?
We're using 2 MAs.
2 MA.
Oh, yes, you can.
Yeah.
2 MAS divided by
If we're
100.
using 1 MAs, we don't.
Yeah, if you're using 1 MAS, you would use 100.
I was just about to grab my phone to do the calculator.
What else is there?
We need to do trigger
We did trigger. Oh,
main.
oh yes, main
So
and time reference.
time reference needs to be on left, which already was, so I don't know why I pressed
Because
it.
usually it's on center, but we don't want that because we're not going to get the full
How did you
waveform.
access that again?
So you want to go to horizontal main, main click, time ref, and we want it on the left hand side.
This has to be a main, but it seems to be by default, so.
Oh,
Okay, so the trigger is moved to the positive edge because that's what we did.
you want a positive edge?
Yeah, well,
we're on
right.
yeah.
If you switched it though to negative trigger,
You
you want to
move the trigger
move
down.
your trigger down for channel 2.
Okay.
You can do it this way too. Okay, and now we do an exposure. And you
Single-
want to do single shot. Make sure you always check before you go to the exposure that no noise is found, and you want to do a single shot.
Thank you, Mary.
Ready?
Exposing.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Why is it longer? Oh, is this right?
Divisions aren't. What's the MAS is a 10, so.
MS was at 10?
Yeah, so we were.
So 10
way
MAS
over.
point. So we should be at 1 second?
Yeah.
Oh no. Okay, you want? Is it 1 second?
It'd be
Or
10
100?
MAS divided by 100.
Should be 100.
100 milliseconds.
So 0.1
Okay.
second, yeah.
Yeah. So
Try again.
yeah, try again.
Single shot.
Yeah, single shot.
Exposing.
It's not long enough.
Yeah, press it.
I premature.
Happens.
Go for it.
Exposing.
Ooh, look at that beauty.
What a view.
And
There
then
you
you
go.
want to go into math mode, turning off both channels. Double click, apparently.
Yeah.
Math.
There you go.
Now you want channel 1 minus 2, and you want your settings to match the scale that you did before.
We do 20 volts.
And then you have the offsets down here, that's 50 kVp, and then you can change that, right? You can move it up or down. That,
We want it near the first two.
Yeah.
yeah.
Minus
on
1
here.
at the rules.
Yeah, scale would change that. You don't want that, which is why you want the same scale. And then you want back. And then if you want, you can quick measure that, and it'll measure the peak to peak,
72.5.
which is what was on the X-ray? 72 kVp.
Oh, we're good.
Pretty close.
Perfect.
That's beautiful. And we could count how long it took,
Yes.
which is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and a little bit. So 105. Yeah, 105 milliseconds.
Is that the millisecond?
Yeah, because there's 20 millisecond divisions.
Cool. And we were expecting about 100, so.